Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another music video reaction. I am SpicyBen808. Today, we are going to be checking out a music video by the band PIGGS. And this is going to be like the second or third music video I've checked out from them. The song looks like it's translated to Small Cry. Hopefully Google is correct on that. If it's not, please comment down below what the actual translation of the song is. But anyway, let's jump right into this music video, shall we? Oh no, this is gonna be a tearjerker because of the rain. Just in case you guys are asking, there's no closed caption, no subtitles, so please don't rip me in the comments for not turning on subtitles. I appreciate it. I think I hit the nail in the head as soon as I saw rain falling at the beginning of the music video. It's a very nice, simple music video. But for those of you that know the lyrics to the song, could you guys tell me the meaning? Right now I'm thinking bad breakup. That's what I'm thinking. But please do tell me the song meaning. I would really appreciate that. You know what the most amazing thing is? Despite all the water in her face, her makeup's not runny at all. I think that's the big takeaway, is their makeup isn't getting messy. Nice, stable vocals. Wow. I'm starting to notice a thing. I mean, we only checked out. All right, let's do a transition here. We're gonna do a quick review of this. Out of the handful of music videos we checked out of PIGGS, there's a common theme. Is like, what was the most recent music video we checked out? I don't remember the name of the song, but I remember they got mud thrown in their face. And I remember in that reaction, I was like, hey, stop doing that to them. They're precious. Don't be throwing mud in in those girls' faces. It felt like the theme of all of their music videos that we reacted to thus far on the channel, it's like it's coming from like a dark place. And there is a light in that darkness. Like if you had like a morose personality and you're always in a hostile environment, but maybe you come from a place where there is warmth and love, and you're just surrounded by a whole bunch of negativity, that deep within yourself you can actually find the strength to pull through all of that. That's the sense that I'm getting. And not in this just music video, but the other music videos that we acted to on PIGGS. So correct me if I'm wrong. I really want you guys to tell me, because like I said, a lot of you guys, especially on Patreon, you guys have been saying please add subtitles. And I have been doing that, but I have not been able to get a you know, a PIGGS music video that has baked in subtitles. So again, I don't know the lyrics. The only thing I can go off of is instinct by their facial expressions and the suggestive themes of how they shot the music video. Rain usually means depression, sadness, pain. And then at the end, the girls came together and they said the word harmony. I think that's what they said a couple of times at the end. So it's like, it's very, very dark, but then at the end of everything, at the end of the storm, the sun shines through. There's warmth, there's light at the end of the tunnel, so to speak. That's what I got through this. So if I'm wrong, completely wrong, please do correct me in the comment section. And I want to thank a lot of you guys from Japan who are bilingual and can also speak English for giving me a lot of information about a lot of past music videos and stuff like that. And the software, or the web browser extension for translating Japanese, that's better than Google Translate. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. It's actually helped quite a lot. Anyway, I got a few more music videos to react to, so stay tuned to that tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next. Have a good night.